Click on the link below to get price. The Sumner 2118 Series 18 feet contractor lift stands out as a robust and reliable solution for contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. Designed for lifting heavy materials to significant heights, this lift has proven itself invaluable on job sites. With a maximum load capacity of 1,000 pounds, it effortlessly handles the weight of materials like drywall, plywood, and steel. One of the lift's standout features is its impressive height capability. Reaching up to 18 feet, it's perfect for tasks like installing ceilings or working on elevated structures. The adjustable height feature allows for versatile usage, making it suitable for various projects. The lift's sturdy steel construction ensures durability and stability, crucial for ensuring safety while handling heavy loads. Ease of use is another area where the Sumner 2118 excels. It features a straightforward assembly process, allowing users to set it up quickly without needing extensive tools or expertise. The lift is equipped with smooth rolling wheels, making it easy to maneuver around job sites, even in tight spaces. Safety is paramount in any lifting operation, and this model does not disappoint. It comes with locking casters that keep it stable during use, as well as safety braces that provide extra support. The integrated winch system operates smoothly, allowing for precise control when raising or lowering loads. While the Sumner 2118 series lift is robust, it is also relatively lightweight, making it manageable for 1 or 2 people to transport from site to site. However, it can be a bit bulky when fully assembled, so consider the storage space available. In conclusion, the Sumner 2118 Series 18 feet contractor lift is an exceptional piece of equipment that combines strength, usability, and safety. Whether you're a professional contractor or a serious DIYer, this lift will undoubtedly enhance your productivity on the job site. Its combination of durability and efficient design makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of lifting equipment.